I like this a lot better than the Ferrari. It's got a better design.
Yeah.
And it sounds, I like the sound a lot better.
Yeah, the exhaust note is sick.
Yeah.
Ferrari doesn't have one too.
Oh, that's really cool.
These are faster too. This has 2 modes. Check it out. Listen. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Are they for? Do you switch them ever?
Well, see, hear the difference. Hear that?
Yeah.
And it won't kick in. The baffles teleport down.
Amazing machine.
Yeah, this is fucking crazy. I got the new LP 640 coming, the new Mercy.
Oh yeah.
I'm
You
gonna
got
have that
that?
in October.
Oh
So
yeah.
keep in touch. I'll bring it to you guys. You can put it on the
Okay.
site. I'm getting the first one.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, in LA.
What color are you getting in?